Imagine turning your idle crypto into a money-making machine. Sound too good to be true? Welcome to the world of liquidity pools. This is the first of 5 videos in our series. Eeva here for MemeFi. Today we're diving into how liquidity pools work and how beginners can start earning from them right now. Imagine opening a currency exchange in your home. You and your neighbor agree, you put in dollars, they put in euros, so other residents can come and exchange currency. Every time someone makes an exchange, you and your neighbor get a small percentage. Sounds simple, right? That's the basic principle of a liquidity pool in the crypto world. A liquidity pool is essentially a collective fund where people put their cryptocurrencies so others can exchange them. For example, you put Ethereum and USDT in a pool. When someone wants to exchange their Ethereum for USDT, they use your pool. In return, you get a small commission for each exchange. Now imagine you don't need to constantly monitor this process. You put your assets in this collective fund once, and that's it. The system earns money for you automatically while you relax or watch TV shows. That's the main appeal of liquidity pools. Passive income without extra effort. Let's break down how this works in practice. Imagine you've decided to become a liquidity provider on a popular decentralized exchange like Uniswap. You log in and see that Ethereum and USDT trading needs a liquid market for traders to quickly and conveniently exchange assets. You decide to help by adding your Ethereum and USDT to a special smart contract, a program that automatically manages your money. Now your crypto assets are locked in this contract, and every time someone wants to exchange Ethereum for USDT, the smart contract automatically executes the trade. The best part? You don't need to be a programmer or tech whiz to figure this out. The system does everything for you. You just watch as commission for each transaction trickles into your account. In our next video, we'll explore different types of liquidity pools and how you can start earning today. Don't miss it.